The Alienware Aurora R16 is basically the dream machine for gamers. Picture this. You've got the 13th Gen i7 processor that kicks up to 5.2 GHz when you're pushing it hard in game battles. This thing laughs in the face of slow load times and chews through tasks like it's nothing. Graphics? Oh man, the RTX 4060 Ti. It's like getting front row seats to the best visual experience games have to offer today. Whether you're all about 4K resolutions or stepping into virtual reality, graphics are crisp, detailed, and just plain gorgeous. Now on to RAM. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 is like having the ultimate fast pass for your gaming and multitasking needs. Stream, game, and keep an absurd number of tabs open without a single hiccup. And storage? We're talking 1 terabyte of SSD. That's lightning fast access to all your games and files, meaning less time waiting and more time playing. Port-wise, this beast has got everything you can need, including USB 2.0 for the gear you can't part with, HDMI, display ports for a multi-monitor setup, and USB 3.2 Type-C for quick data transfers. Cooling? It's covered with a top-notch liquid CPU cooler, keeping everything chill even when the gaming gets intense. Plus, it's all packed into a cool-looking basalt black case that'll make any gamer space look awesome. Topped off with Windows 11, the Alienware Aurora R16 isn't just another gaming PC, it's your secret weapon to owning the game. Just a quick note. If you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Thumbs up, that's for sure.